Chuck Crosby, Crosby Law Office Melissa, sent us an interesting question. She wants to purchase and then move into a condo, but she is being told that the condo association and the building will not allow an emotional support animal to live in the condo with her. And I'm not sure who's telling her this, but she says she's wondering if the Fair Housing Act applies for condominiums and what should she do if she purchases the condo and then she's told that she can't have her dog, their emotional support dog. Chuck?
Well, first off, we're going to have to define emotional support dog. Make sure you've got all those I's dotted and T's crossed, so that is in fact what it is. Getting a certificate off the internet doesn't necessarily get you there, but get that all squared away first. Second, contact the HOA. Get them to say that this is the case. Hearing a rumor isn't going to do you any good. You got to have someone actually tell you this. Get it in writing. And then give me a call and I will hook you up with at least 3 entities that will take care of this for you at no cost.
But do this before you purchase, right?
Yeah. Well, do you want to get in there and then have to deal with it while you're going home?
No.
Probably not. Yeah. But a lot of it can be resolved as just, first off, you want to find out. So whether it's just rumor or whether it's something that the board is actually saying, get it in writing. If they don't put it in writing, well, there's a problem there. Maybe you want to rethink where you move. But get it in writing. And then once you have it in writing, if they say, no, we don't allow this, then, like I said, there's a number of governmental agencies that exist simply to push this issue.
Yeah, so there's an interesting point to this that we should bring up. I know, and you actually mentioned it briefly, that there were a number, I don't know if they still are, but a number of websites online where you can get a certificate and even patches you can buy, like things that you can put on your dog that says emotional support animal. And it was because people were taking advantage of the rule that airlines were allowing you to bring your dog on with them if it was an emotional support dog. I read an article about that. I think they've cut that back severely.
Yeah. It's not difficult to get these things, but you want to make sure you've got a legitimate one. Getting on Etsy and having someone carve you up a badge or whatever doesn't, necessarily cut it.
Yep.
But anyhow.
Yeah, no, you're right. Melissa, we wish you the best.